Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. Today we're going to use our plum liqueur again to do a plum lemon drop, right? First we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of our plum liqueur. Right. Next, we're going to go with 1 ounce of vodka of your choice. Next, we're going to go 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And last, we're going to go 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. Then I'm going to stir a little bit, and I'm going to add some ice and stir again. You can use a shaker cup. I just like stirring because I just like this better than a shaker cup. We're going to get this really chilled because we're going to pour it in a martini glass. So we have a sugar-rimmed martini glass. Get the strainer. All right, let's see how it tastes. This is a good lemon drop. I mean, you still get a lemon drop, right? But now it's purple with a hint of plum to it. It's a good drink. I've added to my list of drinks when I'm entertaining people that like lemon drops, and I want to switch it up on them. It's good. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.